Hi everyone, my name is Moira Prats and I'm the 2026 IEEE Potential Student Editor. Today, I will quickly show you how to use the IEEE Template Selector to find the correct template for your manuscript. First, select the type of publication you want. It might be transactions, journals, letters, magazines, or even a conference. Next, search for and select the name of the IEEE publication to which you intend to submit your article. Then, choose the appropriate article type, such as an original research article. After that, select your preferred file format. It can be LaTeX or Microsoft Word. Finally, click in Download Template, and the download file will include the formatting guidelines required by the selected IEEE publication. Now you're ready to start preparing your manuscript.